y'okushendekeza retired brigadier general Frank Katene Chambadde gwatandika n'okushabira omugenzi kandi ekitambo kya misa kyayebemberwa Reverend Father Louis Atwine orubwana mukuru wa Rwentunda Parish.
Omwana wawe akatusigira etanda y'omubiri gwe kandi tukweshengereza mwine wito Franka owakigaburirwa wakiryo mu magaraga emusi yahabw'emirimo bwa Kristu obu yakuteekateekire wawe mu iguru.
Yaziikwa abanyamahe batari bamwe na bamwe kandi yasiimwa ahabw'emirimo emirungi yakoreire eihanga rya Uganda.
About 100 of us started training in Rubiri on a weapon called BM21, and I was very happy about that. But by that time, Chambade was already an expert of 82mm and 120mm mortar. So after 3 weeks training, a decision came from above that, you know what, this place is not enough, Rubiri Barracks, artillery should find its home. Now, my commanding officer was worried about losing a lot of soldiers, so akakata chikondi, half of us. Akasema race in a group, remain in 1st Battalion, Chambade, and another group, go and establish the artillery unit. And that's how he went to Bombo, and that's how he built the mighty artillery unit.
Shwimwe twamushendekereza yagenda okwemura izina rye narokutongoza izina rye n'umurimo gwani.
Major General Francis Tachirwa niwe yajwekera mukuru w'amahega Uganda kandi yashoma n'obutumwa bwa UPDF bw'amazika ga miliyoni 55 cash.
Brigadier General retired Frank Chambade joined the Defense Forces on the 15th of March 1979, and diligently served his country in both command and staff positions. The departed general officer has therefore been instrumental in restoration and upholding of peace and security in the country, Uganda. UPDF as an institution has contributed the sum of 75 million shillings towards burial arrangements.
David General Muhozoro, Minister wa State for Internal Affairs, kando wa Chief Mona, niwe yajwekera President Museveni kanda heriza y'amazika ga miliyoni 30 okubasa kuyamba kushendekereza.
Nyenda kusima mama omushwere wanyu urugendo rwogenzere na Chambade kusiesha heji mwebare kuzara abana kumbe lovely home this one. So I want to thank you. Nyenda kusima nyina yebare kutuha umwana murungi yebare kuzara abanyakore bazira kukazari. So no byagenda yakutsigira beshukuru yakutsigira n'izina rwungi.
Evans Taremwa abwa TV West Agacencwire.